Hey guys, hope everybody's having a fantastic day, whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. I'm glad you guys are here. Today we are going to attempt to take apart our Pro-Tech Malibu, which I've never taken apart before, and put some skiffs in it if we've got the right size. Firstly, I want to thank the channel members. Thank you all so much. I appreciate you more than you know. And I want to thank anybody who comes in to check out my knife, my EDC content. I really appreciate you. And if you are so inclined, if I could convince you to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon, it would really help me out. And I would keep you notified when stuff is updated on the channel. So, a little bit of red Loctite on these, which makes me a little nervous. And I don't know if these are Allens, but I'm getting them with T6s. Which is a little, red Loctite for days. I guess I'm going to take the stop pin. It's double spinning. So I'm going to get my finger bit. Pop that in there. One side will come out. All right. So all right, that's not going to come. That is. All right. So, the steel bearing. So I can get this guy out without losing my spring, and I did. All right, so first thing I want to do is size my bearings. They are 1/16. Let's see what my pivot is. And my pivot is 3/16. So I've got the right bearings, and you'll see that these American bearings are steel rings with steel balls, and they've got that stamp track on one side. And then you've got your washer sitting here in the other side. And I am going to attempt to clear out some of that Loctite. I'm not sure how well this is going to work for me. Oh yeah. Yuck. All right. So we got that out of there. Let's get a rag. And let's put a little bit of alcohol on it. Let's clean up our blade. A little serial number on there. All right, so now what we're going to do, or attempt to do, is get our skiffs out. Here's another closer look of the differences. Everything else should be just about the same. Let's get our KPL original. It should be all we need here. Little drop. Little drop. All right, guys. Just a little KPL there. Put a little on our bearing. Rub that in. All right, now I want to get my red Loctite off here best I can. Not very. Oh well. All right. Let's see if we can pop this bitch back together. Whoops. There we go. There are Loctite in there. Get our long screws cinched down through that back spacer. On through the back spacer. Have to get our finger bit to get our stop pin good and locked down. Dead nuts. Probably got a little tighty there. Let's see. Dead nuts. No side to side. Guys, that is our Pro-Tech Malibu. No side to side, no up and down. A ventless bearing upgrade. Went very, very well. Appreciate you guys for sticking with me. I knew we'd get through it. Glad I'm not going to have to dry burning bus on this one. So this wasn't going to be a struggle bus, guys. Just a quick bearing upgrade. If y'all are ever looking to upgrade your Malibu or your Mordax, they both work just the same. Just make sure that spring doesn't pop out on you when you're going to take that plunge out, and you'll be in good shape. But guys, thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I appreciate each and every one of you. All I've got to say is I love each and every one of you. And please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart and choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.